Hello everyone, in today's lecture we will discuss another problem that is related to sequences and series, and the problem is complete the number series that is given by 20, 32, 45, 59, 74, and we are asked to find the next term of the given series. Now students, we can easily observe the pattern over here that the common difference between every two consecutive term is given by this one. 32 minus 20 is equal to 12, 45 minus 32 is equal to 13, and up to so on. We have observed here over here that the common difference between every two term increases by 1. So the term that will arise here will give us the common difference that is equal to 16, because the common difference between 74 and 59 is equal to 15, and the common difference between the next two terms means the 74, and the term that will arise here will be 16. Okay, so the common difference should be 16 over here. So 74 plus 16, that is equal to 90. So 90 is the correct option. Okay, means 74 plus 16, that is equal to 90. So here the term will be 90 minus 74. Okay, and this is our required answer. This is all about this lecture. Thank you so much.